old idol of the Crane 274 H06. When it warms up, it tends to smooth out a little bit. Nice and choppy when it's cold, that's for sure.